In this video, we're going to have a look at how you can enable and configure the contact management feature within the Rhino app. First thing we need to do is click on the Your Features. We've got a list of all of the available features, and to configure the contact management, which is sometimes referred to as CRM, we just click on this, and this brings up a wizard. It explains the commercial benefits of using this feature, and then we can just get started. One of the key configuration decisions is obviously we need to enable contacts. This is where we would enter in the names and addresses and contact information for our customers and suppliers. Some businesses may do work with organizations where you have many contacts within that organization. And if you do that, then we can enable the company view. Instead of just looking at all the invoices and notes and estimates for a contact, it allows you to get a view of all of the invoices and all of the estimates for the entire company. As soon as you enable the contacts feature, a list of tabs appear across the top, and this is just a very easy way to guide you through the configuration process. So the first thing you might want to do is input and update your own company information. If you've done this already, then whatever you've entered will appear here. And this little bit here on the left shows you how this information is used. So typically your company name and address would appear on estimates and invoices. And you also have the option here to upload your company logo if you haven't done that already. This next feature is quite important. If you're going to use our system to send out estimates and invoices, you might want to configure our system to use your email system. So this is where you can input your email address. You can also input your password, and you can also say what email system or provider you're actually using. The advantage of using this feature is if you send out any estimates or invoices, the email will appear in your sent items. And also if customers then reply to that email, then it'll appear in your inbox. The next big thing you can do is search tags. So if you wanted to group all of your contacts by region or by type of customer, maybe industry, then you can add search tags in here. So I'm just going to add a few examples. These tags can be now assigned to contacts as we build up our contacts database. The next tab we'll look at is the import tab. This is very powerful because what we can do is we can download an Excel template, and that will outline the format that we would import the information into our system. Once you populate the Excel template, and we'll do a separate video on this, you can then simply upload it. And then finally, there's a training tab, and that simply provides you a video tutorial explaining how each feature works. So once I click on Save, we can now see the contact management appears on the left hand side. And if I click on it, I can start adding and editing my contacts. And we'll cover that on a separate video.